companies. Today we are going to be talking about the project of gas leakage sensing system. And in this project we are going to be having various components, and the system of gas leakage sensing system can be used for various projects or systems like alcohol detection for drivers, for teachers in schools, and for students or for staff members. So it can be used for various things: detection of gases in the buildings, detection of alcohol for students, teachers, or staff members in any department or in any institutions. And in this project we're going to be having various components like the Arduino. That's the most important component. We're going to be having the gas sensor, the LCD display. We're going to be having the logic state component for changing the state for the gas sensor from high to low. And you're going to be having also the LED diode to show that the gas is detected or not detected. Okay, let us first add our components. Just press P on your keyboard and you can just write here gas sensor. Arduino. Also something like LCD display. Let us also add the LED for LED. Let us also add the LED for green. Okay, we also need to have the logic state. This should be converting the state for the gas sensor from high to low. Let's take this. Okay. Let us connect to the components. Connecting the LCD to the Arduino. That's it. Just connect also the logic state to the test pin of the gas sensor, and this out pin for the gas sensor. Let us just put it on pin number 8. Okay, now let us add the ground. The ground is the most important component for the end project in Arduino. Okay, this will stay here. That will be there, and also this will be here. Okay, let us connect to the power. Now I need to connect to the ground here also. Let us connect to the power now. Okay, then that's all we need to do for connecting the components in Arduino. We have the gas sensor, we have the LCD, we have the Arduino, that's the most important component, and we have the LED diodes. Now let us write our code for this project. Okay. First of all, we have to include the library of liquid crystal. Liquid crystal. This way. Then you have to define some pins. You have to define the LED. You have also to define the green LED. You have also to define the gas sensor. Okay, so let us look at the pins used in this for those components. Gas sensor, it was pin number 8. LED was pin number 6. Okay, so LED was pin number 6. Green was pin number 7, and the sensor was pin number 8. Okay, then after let us also define the keys where we connected our liquid crystal. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This way. That's all. Then let us go to the setup loop. Setup, let us define these pins if it were the input pins or the output pins. LED, this is output. Green, this is output. Sensor, this is the input. Yes. Okay, then after that, let us define for the LCD. Before using the LCD, you have to begin by writing this line, LCD begin. This is the line you're going to begin on the LCD 16 2. Then you can begin writing the code for the LCD dot set cursor. You're going to begin at this point on the LCD at point 0, 0. Here we are going to print gas sensor project. So in the first line of the LCD, you're going to print the gas sensor, and the second line you're going to print the word project. Then this is gonna delay for at least 1000 milliseconds. Then you're going to clear this message. Just do it clear this way. Okay. I'm going to define the other new variable here. That is int gas is equal to digital read the sensor. So you're going to read the sensor if it is high or it's low. If it's high, it means the gas has been sensed. If it's low, it means the gas is not sensed. Okay. So if gas is equal to I, you're going to do some things. If gas is high, what you're going to do, first of all, we're going to display in the LCD.clear LCD.set cursor to 0, 0. I'm going to print gas sensed. And here also we may light also on the second line. Evacuate. Okay, then after that we're going to digital light. The LED for LED will be I, meaning that you're going to switch on the LED diode. For and for green also it's gonna be low this way, and you're going to delay for at least 1000 milliseconds. This is it. Let us go for the else statement. Let us just copy this. Else gas not sensitive, I'm going to write here safe. And when no gas is sensitive, it means you're going to keep the red LED low and the green LED high. All of this are going to delay at least for 500 milliseconds. So this is a project. If the gas is sensitive, you're going to display these weights, and also the red LED will be on and the green will be low. If gas isn't sensitive, we're going to display gas not sensitive, and also we're going to display safe on the second line. And the red LED will be low and the green LED will be high, and you're going to delay all of these for at least 1000 milliseconds, and the whole process in here is going to be delayed for at least 500 milliseconds. Let us compile this and get the X file. I think you have to save this first. Okay, we already got the X file. Then let us come here and upload. Just come to the Arduino here, double click here, go to the place you saved your file. I just saved it somewhere here, gas sensor project. You can get this X file as you can see here, double click it, then press OK. And also here you have to upload the X file for the sensor. Go to your PC, local disk, program files, lab center electronics, Proteus, go to data, library, gas sensor. Press OK. Then let us run our project and see. gas sensor project. Gas not sensed, and the LED green is I. Okay, when you change the state here to I, gas sensed, evacuate, and the LED is I. So as you can see, this was our project using the gas sensor, sensing the gas in the room, and when the gas is present, you're going to display gas sensed, so please evacuate. But when the gas is not sensed in the room, you're going to display gas not sensed, and it is safe this way. So please, this was our today's project. Keep on following my account to see a lot of more other projects.